Hi everyone, today I will show you a full guide on how to download HDO Box on iPhone in 2025. Let's get started with the process. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any important steps. First, connect your iPhone or iPad to your Windows PC using a Lightning or USB-C cable. Then open iTunes and make sure your device is recognized properly. Now install and launch Sideloadly. Once it's installed, open the application. Next, add the HDO Box IPA file. You can either click on the Browse button inside Sideloadly, or just drag and drop the IPA file into the main window. In the Apple account field, type in your Apple ID. Sideloadly will use this to sign the IPA file. Now click the Start button to begin the installation. You may be asked to enter your Apple ID password for verification. Once it's done, you'll see the HDO Box app icon on your home screen. If you run into an untrusted developer error, go into your settings, open General Settings, look for Device Management, find your Apple ID, and mark it as trusted. For newer iOS or iPadOS versions, you'll also need to enable Developer Mode. Go into your Privacy and Security settings, locate Developer Mode, switch it on, and your device might ask to restart. And that's it. The HDO Box app will now be successfully installed and ready to use on your iPhone or iPad.